मैं खुश हूँ।
I am happy. I am happy.
मुझे पढ़ना है।
I have to read. I have to read.
ये तुमने किया।
You have done it. You have done it.
तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
मैं आ रहा हूँ।
I am coming. I am coming.
मुझे भूख लगी है।
I am hungry. I am hungry. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पढ़ने से पहले वीडियो को कर दीजिए लाइक, चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि बाद में आप वीडियो की भावनाओं में खो जाएंगे।
मैं वापस आ गया हूँ।
I am come back. I am come back.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
ये सब मेरे लिए नहीं है।
That is not for me. That is not for me.
ये तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है।
That is not for you. That is not for you.
मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ।
Get off my sight. Get off my sight.
बहुत अच्छे, इसी जारी रखें।
Well done, keep it up. Well done, keep it up.
हमारे पास खाली समय है।
We have free time. We have free time.
मुझ पर सब छोड़ दो।
Leave everything to me. Leave everything to me.
देर हो रही है।
It's getting late. It's getting late.
मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा।
I will try my best. I will try my best.
तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
मैं एक घर में हूँ।
I am in house. I am in house.
आप कहाँ काम करते हैं?
Where do you work? Where do you work?
उसे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो।
Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
मैं घर पर अकेला हूँ।
I am alone at home. I am alone at home.
रोटी सेक लो।
Bake the chapati. Bake the chapati.
मैं चिंतित हूँ।
I am worried. I am worried.
इसे धूप में डाल दो।
Put it in the sun. Put it in the sun.
तुम्हारा ऑफिस कहाँ पर है?
Where is your office? Where is your office?
मेरी चीजों से दूर रहो।
Stay away from my stuff. Step away from my stuff.
इसे किसने रखा?
Who put it? Who put it?
मैं वहां गया।
I went there. I went there.
मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है।
I can't know English. I can't know English.
तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है?
What is your problem? What is your problem?
यहाँ क्या हो रहा है?
What is happening here? What is happening here?
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा।
I will help you. I will help you.
तब तक कुछ नहीं।
Till then nothing. Till then nothing.
अब कहा उसने।
What did he say? What did he say?
आप शर्मा क्यों रहेंगे?
Why are you feeling shy? Why are you feeling shy?
मैं यहाँ नहीं ठहर सकती।
I can't stay here. I can't stay here.
मुझे माफ कर दो।
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
आपको क्या पसंद है?
What do you like? What do you like?
आप क्या लेना चाहोगे?
What would you like to have? What would you like to have?
आप यहाँ कब पहुँचे?
When did you get here? When did you get here?
आपकी उम्र लंबी हो।
May you live long. May you live long. May you live long.
मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए।
I need your help. I need your help.
हम कहाँ मिलेंगे?
Where will we meet? Where will we meet?
ये तोहफा नहीं था।
This had to happen. This had to happen.
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा।
It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you.
मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ।
I am asking you. I am asking you.
ज्यादा भाव मत खाओ।
Don't act so pricey. Don't act so pricey.
इतना घमंड अच्छा नहीं है।
Such arrogance is not good. Such arrogance is not good.
वो मुझे नजरअंदाज कर रही थी।
She was ignoring me. She was ignoring me.
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ।
Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry.
मुझे निराश मत करो।
Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
What difference does it make? What difference does it make?
तुम कितने अच्छे हो।
You are so nice. You are so nice.
कुछ ना कुछ होने वाला है।
Something is about to happen. Something is about to happen.
वह सिर्फ कहने का दोस्त है।
He is a so-called friend. He is a so-called friend.
अपनी नजरें नीचे रखो।
Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down.
तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही है।
Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up.
सच कहूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
To be honest, I am very happy. To be honest, I am very happy.
बहुत देर लगा रहे हो।
Are you taking too long? Are you taking too long?
सारा खेल किस्मत का है।
It's all about luck. It's all about luck.
मुझसे पंगा मत लो।
Don't miss with me. Don't miss with me.
आप तो बिल्कुल बोले हैं।
You are so innocent. You are so innocent.
ये बहुत कीमती है।
It's very expensive. It's very expensive.
अपनी औकात में रहो।
Be in your limits. Be in your limits.
मामला दब चुका है।
The matter is stirred up. The matter is stirred up.
दूसरों को परेशान मत करो।
Don't disturb others. Don't disturb others. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Do not forget like and share it.